In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calendar on Salesforce. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. From here, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left corner. In the app menu that appears, choose Calendar. This takes you straight to Salesforce's built-in calendar, which is great for tracking meetings, calls, and reminders alongside your CRM data. You'll land on the calendar with a weekly view by default. At the top, you'll see the current date range, similar to March 15th to March 21st. Use the right arrow to move to the next week and the left arrow to go to the previous week. This is the quickest way to scan your schedule forward and backward. If others on your team are adding events or if your integrations are syncing meetings, click the refresh button near the top to make sure you're seeing the latest updates. To change how much you see at once, open the View menu. Choose Day to focus on a single day's timeline, which is helpful when you have a packed schedule and want to spot overlaps by the hour. Switch back to Week for a balanced overview that shows your daily commitments across the whole week. Then try Month to see the big picture. Month View is ideal for planning out deadlines or upcoming trips. You can jump among these views anytime. It doesn't change your data, only how it's displayed. Let's create a new event. Click New Event. In the event window, enter a short title in the subject field. For this demo, a simple test is fine. Add a brief description or purpose in the details area so anyone invited understands what it's about. Again, test works for now. Next, set the start date by clicking the date field, then pick the start time. Adjust the end date and time as needed. To demonstrate, click the end date field and select the 30th from the date picker. Clear start and end times help avoid conflicts and ensure the event appears correctly in your views. You can relate the event to CRM records so everything stays connected. In the Related Record field, select the sample account shown. If you also see a Related People field, choose the sample contact provided. Linking events to records makes it easy to revisit notes and outcomes later from the account or contact page. Add a location so attendees know where to go or where to dial in from. Set your availability status to busy to block your time, or free if you just want a reminder without reserving your schedule. If the event spans the whole day, turn on All Day Event. This removes specific times and shows the event across the top of your day. If the details are sensitive, mark the event as private so only limited information is visible to others who can see your calendar. When everything looks good, click Save. Your event now appears on the calendar in the appropriate slot. On the right, you may notice a small 3-line button that toggles the side panel. Click it to show or hide that panel. It's useful if you want more screen space or quick access to options, and clicking it again brings the panel back. Move ahead to the next week and locate the event you just created. Click it to open the event card. From here, you'll see options to manage it. Choose Edit if you need to adjust details like time or location. If you decide the event is no longer needed, click Delete and then confirm Delete in the prompt. The event is removed from your calendar right away. That's it. You've opened the Salesforce calendar, navigated weeks, refreshed your view, switched among day, week, and month, created a new event with dates, related records, location, availability, all day and private options, and finally edited and deleted an event. Use these same steps each day to keep your schedule accurate and aligned with your Salesforce data.